Morning guys, it's June 9th, 2023. This one I got a call from my old dentist. He's got a bunch of income property and one of his tenants is having a problem with the tub. And I guess he's retired now and he shut the business down. His kid was trying to run 2 different locations and couldn't do it, but either way, he's a good guy. He's just old and he's retired now, and I still work for him as long as I get paid here, which shouldn't be an issue. Worked at his house, and he was a good dentist. He just, you know, as people get old, they retire. So, but anyway, he's the deal with the tenant is I talked to her on the phone, and I guess the tub spout's an issue, and the overflow pop-up assembly, she said, is broken. The tub's draining okay, but she can't use the shower because the lift spout isn't working, and she can't fill up the tub because the overflow drain thing is broken. It might not have any guts in it. I'm not even sure. But we're gonna go over there and see if we can address the issues. And you know, it's a tenement. It's a tenant, so I'm gonna kind of be careful on what I do over there too. It's, you know, it's once I get authorization to do all kinds of stuff. I could change a spout and, you know, put a trip lever assembly or a cover on there. That shouldn't be an issue. But if I gotta start changing like the waste and overflow on a tub or shower or something, that might be something I gotta get authorization for. But we'll see. One step at a time. And I got a call from that old lady, that old panic lady with the toilet again. The toilet won't flush again. So I told her, don't touch it. I want to run over there and see exactly why it's not flushing. I talked to her husband and he said it's not flushing. So maybe the flapper chain fell off or something. If that's the case, I'll put a new flapper on there for her. We'll see when we get there. Maybe it's not filling. I don't know. But the nervous Nelly called me in a panic. You can hear it in her voice, you know. Said, don't touch the toilet. Don't flush it. Leave it alone. She said it won't flush anyway. I'm gonna go there and see exactly what's going on with it. Instead of me guessing what the problem is, I could see it. You know. I don't like to take the guess about things. I like to know for sure what the issue is, and this way here I could, you know, I know this is definitely the problem. Well, then we could go ahead and change it, move ahead and fix it. Instead of guessing, you start assuming, you make an ass out of you and me. You ever hear that saying? So.
Yeah.
So you gotta hold this.
Yeah.
And then it'll drain.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Yeah, that should be easy fix. Yeah, we fixed that up for you. And that's stuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never been able
No
to
big deal.
use so.
You driving, Miss Molly? You driving, Miss Molly? You love driving, Miss Molly. You do. You love driving. Alright, I should have plenty of spouts. I've been changing all kinds of tub shower valves, so I got spouts. And then I need a triple lever, should be this red box. Look at this. Oh, it's a nice one, actually. I just have to clean it up. Spit shine. Here, a little spit shine, mama. Look at that, it's like brand new. Oh man, it's like brand new, Miss Molly. Yeah, it's brand new. Brand new. Must be quiet here with the office closed, huh? Well, the son was trying to run the Fall River and this one at the same time.
Oh.
The old man's retired.
Yeah, I know that. Oh, so it's, yeah. I didn't know they had 2 places.
Yeah, he got the shakes there at the end. So I mean, you can't be a dentist and have the shakes, right?
Yeah, no, definitely not.
So, I think his kid can't do both locations.
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, that's probably a lot.
They can't find hard to find help, I guess, from what they're saying. So.
Yeah. So they touching it.
You must have fixed your phone, because now I can leave a message.
Yes, I deleted some of the messages. My kids play with my phone, they'll be on it, so a lot of times I don't even get them. They will ring and I won't even hear it because they'll get rid of it.
Yeah, you gotta get rid of the messages.
Yeah.
This thing just... going flipping woke on us. This thing's all rotted. Look at that. That ain't good. Shit in there. I don't know. Actually a good one. I'm gonna change the spout too. It's all rotted. I don't need that pot anyway, as long as that cover's on. Wow. Wow. Ain't good. Ain't good. Oh, that's gonna be one of them that's got that fucking thing in the bottom there, no? Should still come out. Oh, okay, it's coming out. Nothing was on there.
Bye.